Ever seen a parliamentary session turn into a battlefield? Welcome to Zimbabwe. This week, Zimbabwe's parliament was the stage of a fight. It all began when Mutare Central legislator Brian James raised a burning question. James demanded answers about Zimbabwe's withdrawal from the SADC tribunal protocols of 2012 and 2014, which block SADC citizens from accessing the tribunal. But not everyone was ready for this debate. Deputy Speaker Tsitsigazi stepped in, blocking James's debate. She instructed him to submit his question in writing. This move sparked an uproar among opposition members, igniting protests. Ruling party members stood their ground, refusing to entertain the debate. It was a showdown of principles versus procedure, with the nation watching closely. The question remains, should Zimbabwe engage in open discourse on such critical issues or hide behind protocols? The tension in Parliament mirrors the stakes for the people of Zimbabwe. Stay tuned to Zim News Live as this story develops.